You just some incredible pictures there. That was Cannonsburg in Washington County, where the problem's beginning to build up. You know, you've got the cold, you've got the snow, and now for these people flooding, they couldn't even get out if they needed to.
Don't want to throw you under the bus here, but right. Do you know rain totals from yesterday in terms of how much is that the reason, or might this be a drain backed up or something else?
I think that the reason is probably going to be kind of a drain backup. But we did see about an inch here in Pittsburgh.
So huge rainfall.
Yeah, I mean the totals weren't huge, but you know, we continue to just kind of see rain.
Right.
And now what you get is that you still have draining. It doesn't just instantly stop once the rain stops. And now you're getting ice as well. You're getting that instant freeze. And so that's going to start to, you know, if you have any leaves or anything like that, really start to clog things up. So you can get some issues like what we're seeing right there. It'll be interesting to see exactly why that's happening. And hopefully for those folks, they can get out in any timely manner. Let's talk about what's going on. Just 3 hours ago, our temperatures were right at the freezing mark. That's not the case anymore. 19 at this time. Man, check out the winds out of the north at 28 miles an hour. The barometer 29.59, and a dew point coming in at 17 degrees. We do have those winter weather storm warnings still in effect for a big portion of western Pennsylvania. You will notice, though, Allegheny, Butler, Armstrong, Beaver County to the south, including parts of Fayette and Westmoreland County, all under that winter weather advisory that also goes up until 10 o'clock. We're expecting about 2 to 4 inches of snow. Here's the snow coming in. You can see the line, very straight line, as that cold air continues to slide to the east. Still some pockets of some heavier snow, including one of those right around the Cranberry area at this point along the county line with Allegheny and Butler County. That's moving east. That's going to put a nice another maybe inch or so of snow on the ground in Butler over the next hour as that tracks through. Also, eastern parts of Allegheny County, they have also some fairly heavy snow that is working its way in. So we'll continue to monitor things there. Area of low pressure that continues to slide to the east. It has pulled in just ahead of it. Look at just how far to the north that warm air has made it. Backside of this system is cold, and that's where we're getting the snow. Should have a snow chance all the way up, at least a steady snow chance all the way up until about 9 or 10 o'clock this morning is what it looks like at this point. Also, because of the snowfall coming in, we have lower visibility, just a half mile in Pittsburgh, Butler at about a mile. And look at those winds. Now, the Pittsburgh area is seeing winds a lot stronger than everyone else at 28, but still some strong wind speeds being reported at the Pittsburgh airport. It's 19 now in Pittsburgh, 18 in Butler, and Denora at 23 degrees. You factor in the wind chill and it feels like single digits. We've already seen the high 35. Snow showers expected mainly this morning is what we're looking at. There's a look at kind of how we expect the rest of the day to go. We've dropped those temperatures down to about 18 through 8 o'clock and then 17 after that for a big portion of the day. Look at what happens as we're waking up tomorrow morning. Your 6 o'clock temperatures all the way down to 6 degrees. So the cold air is here, and it's going to be here all the way through Tuesday is what it looks like at this point. So when the snow gets out of here by the afternoon hour, still some lake effect snow showers will be possible. And those lake effect snow showers also could impact the lunar eclipse scheduled, well, not scheduled, but happens later on tonight. There's your 7-day. We've already seen the high today, 17 your Monday high and back to 35 on Tuesday. But don't forget, even on Tuesday morning, we're looking at temperatures single digits across western Pennsylvania. We'll be right back after the break.